If you're joining a Zoom meeting from your cell phone, from your Zoom mobile app, here's how to mute yourself or to unmute yourself. I'm going to create a new meeting. This applies if you join a meeting as well. I'm going to select Wi-Fi or cellular data. Okay, so I'm now in the meeting, and now to mute myself, you can see this button on the bottom left here, mute, and I just hit that, and then that means that people will not hear me over the Zoom meeting. Now you notice that the menu options have just disappeared straight off the screen. So just to get them back, you just tap anywhere on the screen and they appear again. To unmute yourself when you're ready to speak, you just click that unmute button, hit the screen again, unmute, and then people can hear you. Then if you want to leave the Zoom meeting, once again tap your screen and then just click end if you are the host, or leave meeting if you are not the host.